Say, oh, me get ISA, like my daddy was a pilot, and the plane get hijacked, so me have to jump out, parachute when I buy that. Buckler, the world boss and Likkle Vybz on the attack again. Watch. Hear me nation people. At the world, it's not a plan. Watch what go on, you know? Carefully. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know it go already, you know. When I come for represent, full effecting man. You know it go when we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me no man. Are the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me no man. Are the most electrifying man for YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Your nation people. It couldn't get no better. And the world boss and Likkle Vybz dropped the big song. My daddy was a pilot. No formal lollipop thing no there in it nation people. The wickedest thing about that song there, yo, I don't even know. The two man them flow like it make the rhythm together. First class. Yeah. What's up? Cigarito? Me have I agree though. Yeah? You don't want I agree though?
I agree or no?
You just want cigarito. Want to cigaro.
Cigaro. No, cigar.
Let me go get coffee or
Okay, let me get light. What do you think I'm gonna light this up with the water?
Come on, man.
Come on now. Come on now.
You don't have light? What the fuck? Yeah, nation people.
7 o'clock already?
No. What you?
What you?
The rhythm and the flow of them make on together. Yo, boom buckler. Yo, the thing sweet. No joke shit not dead about it. Yo, the melody and the rhythm sell off. First class. No joke shit not dead about it. Most of all, we don't know say the world boss immortal. Zin? So take that out of it. But yo, nation people, hey, Likkle Vybz get blood, no blood clot with milk. Hey, the man sick in a dog. Yo, right now, them can't even hide it. Yo, the youth crazy. When it come to the melody business and him chop some blood clot lyrics, yo, the youth tough. Them tough Gaza nation. I don't know, joke shit. Just forgot about the world boss a Likkle. Just a Likkle. You know what I mean? The youth sick. The youth flow crazy. Crazy. Yo. Look up from this, you know. It's like hell up in a Allen, man. A joke bomb buckle and shit in it. The youth them tough. And you see, I never hear from the man them for a couple months now. And me I tell you, Likkle Vybz, boy, I don't even know. Look like a beer vocal training in the bad man. Ah! Yeah, no joke shit not about it. Look like a beer vocal training the man there. The man tough. Why I? Alright. See it there. No lollipop thing in our nation people. Let's go back and listen to the song now. Crazy thing man. The song crazy. I'm more big up Skilly Bank on them album. No joke shit not there about it. That's what I say. Big up the East Side artist. No gimmicks thing not there. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know enough boy I wish I not old for the man thing flop, but I saw them thing there, but you know what I mean? Haters always we are gotta look out for certain shit, you know what I mean? Yeah. But back to the song right about now. My daddy was a pilot, it crazy Gaza Nation. Right now I repeat me have the thing pan. You know what I mean? What me say? Repeat me have the thing pan. Thing tough. Tough. You know what I mean? Can't stop listening, man. You know what I mean? The Gaza Nation. Place I get full up and I grab an early morning coffee.
Bacon with egg and cheese, no? Egg and cheese? Yeah.
My stuff this?
What kind of bagel?
Plain bagel, you need
Coming now.
Where you are?
bagel toasted.
Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, Nation people. I love it. I love every bit of it, dog. The song sell off. Clean. What I say? Yeah, and the song there and a perfect rhythm with that one for the man them flow. I don't know. It come like them listen to the man them flow and then build the rhythm, man. No joke shit not there about it. The man them lay down on the rhythm, man, my brethren. This is what I say. It's like when you lay down on a piece of velvet. I saw the thing comfortable. Song bad, man. Bad.
Thank you.
Alright, my brother. Yeah, man. The song out of this world, Gaza Nation. I love it. You know what I mean? Well done, world boss and Likkle Vybz. Well done, sir. You know what I mean? You know the master ceremony, you know, man. You see what I say? And certain little thing, whether they take for granted, you never see a father and a son deal with it like that to blood clot. Unless the Jackson 5 and them father on not talk about. No gimmicks business not that about it. You never see a son and him father deal with music like that, my brother. No joke shit. After the Jackson 5 you not go for. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not that about it. Well done, world boss. Well done, Likkle Vybz. But they been tell them already. Say you're the king for melody. And them they think a joke me I make. You see what I say? Yeah. But you gonna see enough bandwagonists run on and shot all kind of shit. You see what I say? Yeah. But a long time we make the youth know. Yo, you're the king for melody. Remember, I run over Vybz Kartel the first time I hear the youth, you know, with him sing their thing. I make Vybz Kartel know. Vybz Kartel, yo, the man sound like tenor saw, you know. You see what I say? World boss dead with laughter ass. You see what I say? No gimmicks not there in it. You see what I say? The man sick. What I say? Alright, Georgie. Yeah, the man sick when it come on to flow business. No gimmicks business not dead about it. And you know, say you can't question world boss when it come to lyrics business and no joke shit. Respect, brother. Respect, yeah? Alright. The vice the man saying here. I know I the general, the 10-star one. I know I represent for nation people. No gimmicks business not there but in my game. You know already how I represent. You know what I mean? No for my lollipop thing. Morning. You see what I say? Yeah. No for my gimmicks not there in a nation people. I'm telling you something, man. Right now, I don't know how you can stop Gaza dynasty. I don't know how that will happen. Because right now, to the way how Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addy look and sound promising in this world called dancehall music. Oh fuck, man. Cha. Oh fuck, man. No gimmicks not dead about it. A dynamic the artists them. And when them come together, some dynamic dual business go on. You see what I say? Yeah, the dynasty look well secure. The song body fuck. You see what me I say? The rhythm bad, the flow bad, the song bad, everything bloody bad. Right now to the way of the song bad, me think it too bumbuckler shot. You see what me I say? All know them should have all the next verse. Pon it. It tough. You see what me I say? No joke shit no dead about it, nation people. The thing shell way. Hotter than we hell there. You don't know a 10 star. The general. What? Gaza way, you know? There ain't no other way. Yo, 10 star. General.